Everyone's paying $5 every month for Google AI Plus, but right now you can legally get it free for 12 months. Let me show you how to claim it before the offer changes. Also, don't skip the end of this video because I'll show you another method to get this same offer if the first one doesn't work for you. The official offer link is in the description. Just click it and open the page. This offer is currently available in India. If you're watching from another country, some people try using a VPN, but that's your own choice. The offer also works with a VPN, so you can try using one. Now, here's the first problem that many people are facing. Some users don't even see the Google AI Plus offer on the Internshala page. The good news is, I found the reason. When creating your Internshala account, make sure you sign up using your Gmail account or the Continue with Google option. From what many users have experienced, accounts created with other email providers often don't show the offer correctly, while Gmail-based accounts are much more likely to work. So don't waste time creating multiple accounts with different email services. Use a Google account from the beginning. Once your account is ready, open the offer link from the description and you'll reach the Google AI Plus offer page. From there, simply click Claim. The process is straightforward. Google will ask you to add a payment method for verification. Complete that step, confirm the subscription, and once everything is verified, your 12-month Google AI Plus membership will be activated. You'll get access to Gemini AI Pro, premium AI features, and 400 GB of Google One storage, all included with the offer. Now, about the second method I mentioned earlier. If the Internshala offer isn't showing or you're still unable to claim it, check out the other video linked in the description. I explain an alternative way, along with more troubleshooting tips that have helped many people claim the offer successfully. Grab the offer while it's still available, and I'll see you in the next free premium offer.